Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down, removing the case and SIM. This prevents accidental short circuits and gives you access. Once done, visually inspect the screen and edges for cracks or liquid damage because physical harm often causes green artifacts. Next, boot into safe mode or recovery. This step isolates third-party apps and confirms if the issue is software-related. Make sure to note whether green appears before or after the boot logo, as that tells you if hardware or firmware is to blame. You now focus on software fixes and controlled hardware tests. First, update or reinstall the phone's display firmware or system updates. Corrupted drivers can shift color channels and cause green screens. If updates fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This rules out persistent system corruption. Once reset, make sure to test with an external display adapter or a known good replacement panel. If external output is fine, but the internal panel remains green, you finish with hardware repairs or professional escalation. First, power off and reseat the display connector. Loose or corroded flex cables often cause color shifts, so cleaning contacts can restore normal output. If reseating doesn't help, replace the entire screen assembly, because a damaged LCD or digitizer commonly shows persistent green. Finally, if replacement fails or green persists only during boot, make sure to consult a board-level technician. There may be GPU or display driver IC damage that requires solder-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.